Hi guys, see you. Ayan guys, yung ating pinirito na naman. Ayan, pinirito natin. Ayan, ayan guys. Ayan guys, see you. Ayan naman. This is W, it's key food. Hello, shout out. Hello, pinirito. Pinirito na naman tayo guys. Ayan na naman tayo guys. So, kumpa. Huling ko sana guys kumpa yan. Pero, lang to guys. Lagyan ko lang to ng ano guys. Ng kunting vinegar. So, ayan. Tapos, ayan. Ayan na guys. Ayan na. Ayan. Hello po. Shout out sa lahat. Hello. Sarap. Ay, sarap. Mayroon tayong eggplant. Ayan guys. Mayroong eggplant guys. Ayan. Ang sarap ng eggplant with pork legs. Ayan, sarap. Yummy. Ayan, yummy. Hello guys, shout out. Kain po tayo. Ayan, see you tomorrow. Mga guwapa, kagwapo. Thank you so much. So, ayan, diba guys? Ang sarap. Grabe siya. Ang sarap niya guys. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy watching. Ito tayo guys kasi malayo doon. Hindi siya makareach. Yung kamay natin. Ayan, sarap. Taray ko. Ay, salay. Hello guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Luto na yan. See you tomorrow. Mga guwapa kagwapo. See you. Hello guys. Shout out na naman. Ayan. Ayan na naman. Shout out sa lahat. Hello. Ayan. Okay. Enjoy watching. God bless. Puro natin doon guys. Hindi ba? Shout out everyone. Enjoy watching. Sarap din talaga guys. Hello guys. Ito na naman yung aming dinner for today. Chicken with mushroom and what's this? What did you call this, guys? This is not onion, spring onion, but this is like I don't know. But this is good also, guys, for the chicken, guys. Okay. Enjoy watching. God bless. This is for our dinner. Dinner of our boss, guys. Tingnan niyo yan, guys. Me and my boss dinner. Help me and my boss dinner. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, guys. Okay. Enjoy. Kainan. Dinner time. Mga gwapo. Chicken with tralala. Guys, chicken with tralala. Hello guys, ito na naman yung ating esda na naman. Fish with eggplant and spring onion, sugar, water, and of course, minced garlic. Ayan, sarap yan guys. Kaya if you want to cook, you can watch. If you like to cook this one, you can watch from my video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Hello, hello. Let's eat. Enjoy papaya. Eggplant with fish. God bless everyone. Talaga, shout out, shout out. Ito na yung ating dinner for today. Fish with eggplant. Ayan. Fish with eggplant yan, guys, ha? Don't worry, guys. This is eggplant. I don't know, everyone like eggplant. I hope you like also eggplant. Me, I like eggplant. Yes. I like it. Ayan. And then you put on the top of the spring onion. Ayan, mga guwapa. Ayan. See, saan ka pa niyan, mga guwapa? So yummy, mga guwapa. Kaya enjoy. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, ayan na, guys. Done cooking na tayo, guys, ha? May lulutuan pa naman tayo. Kanina pa sana, guys, no? Nakalimutan natin magkuha ng video. Iwan ko ba, guys? Napaka-busy talaga ng ano natin ngayon. Ayan.